Hello everyone, looking forward to walking you through my research proposal for 590. I'd like to start off by explaining that this project is focused on the aspect of environmental psychology. It is pretty clear that there is a dichotomy between human behavior and climate change, and I'd like to hone in and explore why that is and what we can do to encourage pro-environmental behavior. Right now, there is no system in place to incentivize citizen action or a platform that visually shows people their impact when it comes to the bigger climate change picture. We live in a regenerative world where the Earth has the capability to heal and overcome anthropogenic problems over time. However, our current systems and lifestyles are designed to work against the health of the overall environment, thus making environmental regeneration nearly impossible. As such, we need a massive paradigm shift to change things for the better. By measuring impact and/or incentives, we can begin to understand the impact of our individual actions and create pro-environmental behavioral change. This is where Dashboard Earth comes into play. The new platform will transform a limitless number of climate-enhancing solutions into incremental, personalized actions that are socially and even financially rewarding. Dashboard Earth's ability to list and verify climate action provides important opportunities for residents to discover and understand the many opportunities to participate in creating climate resilience with local nonprofits to receive incentives for doing so, such as planting a tree. This also allows residents to stay engaged in both individual and community climate actions to build overall climate change resilience. Currently, Dashboard Earth is conducting pilot programs with NGOs in Los Angeles at the forefront of climate resilience, one of which is a tree pilot program that I will be utilizing for 590. This goal is to onboard its first users in order to connect residents with organizations such as these for tree planting that will organize and have actions that will enable climate resilience and adaptation. The ultimate goal is to prove that Dashboard Earth's technology and infrastructure can provide the mechanisms needed to catalyze resident awareness and actions, which is impact, through verifiable and incentivized tree care. With this specific pilot, it is possible to gather data on user engagement, human behavior, in comparison to understand impact and/or the receiving of incentives for their actions. Throughout the course of this program, I'm expecting to see that impacts and incentives through this platform can create change in human behavior, or at least prove proof of concept. Additionally, I'm expecting to see more impact regarding incentives, and I'm also expecting to see an increase in users based on incentives and impacts. Because I work for Dashboard Earth, I have regular access to the team as well as the CEO, who was my boss, regarding this pilot program. This will allow me to collect and analyze data over the course of the next 2 to 3 months because my timeline is actually October 2022. So this is to my advantage because I will have the opportunity to collect even more data and expand on my timeline. I've presented this outline and timeline to the team, and they're excited to help me collect data and see the results. Cross your fingers.